Hey guys, welcome to Thrifty Thursday. It's Megan from Crave Your Home. So this week I wanted to show you this super easy, really cute DIY truck to go outside or inside that you can decorate for every season. So here we go. We're going to start with a large crate. So I bought this one at Walmart. It was $7.97. There's a bigger size that's there as well for $9.97. I got the smaller size crate, but you just want it. This is going to be the back of your truck. So for the front of our truck, I have these three smaller crates. These ones were $3 at the dollar store. You can get $4 ones as well. So my advice would be to get your big crate first, measure the width here of your crate, and then go by that to get your smaller crates. So you want your smaller crates to be at least the width of the large crate or even a little bit larger. So to do this, we're just going to need 3 of these smaller crates, the large crate, and wood glue. So for the smaller crates, we're going to take the first one, put it upside down. Then the next one we're going to stack right on top of that upside down as well. And then the smaller one upside down on the front. So I'll just step back so you guys can see. So that's how your truck's going to look. And I'm just using Gorilla wood glue that I also got at the dollar store to glue all those together. And to glue them together, I'm just going to add glue here on the slats of each one. So I'll glue these ones to the crate, big crate, and then this one is going to be glued to the smaller one. So our truck should be drying now with the wood glue. So I'm going to go ahead and use this spray paint. It's Designer Series Rust-Oleum Ultra Matte, and the color of it is Coastal Sage, and it's indoor and outdoor. Looks like a really nice matte color. The obvious choice for this truck would be red, because it's, you know, like the vintage red truck. But I thought red might be a little bit too Christmassy for me, and I wanted to be able to use this truck all year long. So I went with the sage green. Okay, so our spray painted truck is now dry. It's all together. Here's what it looks like. I'm really liking the color. I'm gonna go ahead and attach everything else to it. So the first thing is our windows. So again, I'm using white duct tape. You could use paint and just paint them, but the reason I didn't is because the handles that are in these crates. So I wanted to do the windows so that you can kind of cover up the handles a little bit. So here's what I'm thinking, just like a white window right there. Okay, so I'm going to tape it right over the handle because I want to kind of cover that up. I think it'll look more like a truck with the handle covered. So I'm going to tape that right across there. Nice and straight, hopefully. Okay, so here are our windows. So that is just white. So that's just white masking tape that I put on our truck. So now we're going to attach the wheels. So for the wheels, I'm going to use these lights. So I picked up 4 of these for the wheels in the black, and then I picked up 2 in white for the headlights. And these work out great because they already have sticky back on them. So you just peel it on, peel off the sticky back, pop it on. Right there. The other one, I don't know, maybe back here, I guess. Sure. Looks good enough for me. And there's our wheels on the truck. Then for the front of it, you can leave it as it is. I bought 2 white puck lights and I just spray painted them the same color as the truck. You can put batteries in these if you want so they actually turn on like headlights, but I just wanted to have something on the front of the truck to make it look a little bit more realistic. There. You can also get like a little sign and put it on the front. Part here, because these are a little bit lower, I want them to be even. So all I did was got these popsicle sticks, larger ones from the dollar store. I'm going to glue them down here. I have some that I already spray painted the same color as the truck, and I'm just going to glue them down with my wood glue on top of the truck. So that's what the popsicle sticks all glued down. There's 3 layers of popsicle sticks, and I just spray painted them the same color as the truck. And if any wood glue pops up, up here is 3 too, and I just did 3 on each side just to make it look a little bit more even. If any wood glue comes through, like here, you can just spray paint that again once it's dry. And the last thing I'm going to do is just on the sides, on the front here, the very last thing down here, and on the side, on the very last rung, I'm going to paint that a dark gray like a bumper. Isn't that cute for fall? And you can decorate it for any season that you want. So you can put a little Christmas tree in it for Christmas. And here it is.